Welcome to Quickin. Thank you for your trust. Let's get started. In this video, I will explain how to enable the Quickin F&B function. Okay, first key in ID password, and then log in to your Quickin. Next, adding things to Quickin. First, add your item. Create category, example beverage. Create item, fill in your item details. Okay, let's say you want to set up different varieties and add-on options. Same thing, go to create item. Click the button to add your variants. Next, go to add-on. Click button to add. Here, you can set the option limit and the maximum quantity for each option. Here, you can click button to edit, copy item variants or add on. Next, add your customer. Click create customer and fill in customer info. Please make sure the TIN, BRN, contact and so on properly fill in. Next, add supplier. Click on create supplier. Same things, fill in supplier info. Okay, now, quick order. Go to F&B, select quick order. Don't forget, connect printer before creating invoice. First, click here and select your table. To create a new table, enter a new number and click create. Okay, let's get back. After selecting the table, choose your items. Click the button to plus your item, and click add continue. Item add in. Now click update send to kitchen. Now, check your item and price. If all okay, choose payment method, then checkout. Click view to check your invoice or view it here. If customer want to claim, go to here. Select open receipt PDF. Ask customer to scan QR code and fill in their details on their side. After valid, LHDN and system will display synchronously. For unclaimed invoices, on the 4th of month will auto-consolidated to LHDN except for ineligible for consolidation. Next, preset invoice. Go to preset, select your customer, and then add your item. Here check the date and select the discount and payment method. Then create invoice. Okay, now valid. Next, self-billed invoice. Select self-billed and click this button. Now, select your supplier. And then, add your item details and amounts such as rental. And here select your date, remarks and payment method. Then click create self-billed invoice. Now, your self-billed done create. Congratulations, let's enjoy Quickin journey.